you are going to want a piece of white drawing paper, a printout black and white of the photo that you want to use, a pencil, perhaps an extra eraser, a black Sharpie, a glue stick, and any color supplies that you might want. Color pencils, crayons, markers, Sharpies, anything you would like. You may have developed your plan for your Christo installation drawing, so please pull this out and use it along with your other supplies in planning your drawing. To begin, I'm going to glue down my black and white photo onto my white drawing piece of paper. You want to make sure that there is plenty of glue to secure it down. I'm using a glue stick, but you may use any sort of glue that you would like or have available. You're going to glue it down where you want it on the paper, taking up as much of that white paper as you possibly can. If you need a little bit more in corners, go right ahead. Once you have applied the glue, what I would like you to do is put something heavy on top to weigh it down overnight so that it glues securely and it will not come up as you start to draw on it. Once your drawing is securely glued and dried overnight, you are ready to begin drawing. So I am going to use my pencil. Once you have finished your pencil drawing, you may want to trace over it with black Sharpie so it stands out. You may then use whatever materials you would like to add color. I am going to use colored pencils to add color to my drawing.